Hello, wishing you all a very good morning to all my lovely students of grade 5. Welcome in my social studies classes. I am Ojashwini, your teacher of social studies. Hopefully, you all are doing good, safe at home, and also studying at home. So, guys, on the day of Friday, we study block 2. Lesson plan 1, block 2, Paleolithic age, and block 2, stone tools. So, guys, today we will continue block 2, stone tools. But what is our today's topic? So, to know the topic, you have to answer my questions. You have to think, okay? Is there any difference between the handsaw used by a carpenter and the kitchen knife that your parents may use at home? Handsaw, everybody know now? Look at this picture. Yes, very good. It Hindi we call it आरी. बहुत सही बताया. But my dear, in English we call it hand saw. Saw means आरी, hand means हाथों से काटी जाने वाली. Okay. Some tools are known as manual tools. Manual tools means जिनको हम हाथों से यूज़ करते हैं. There are electric saw also. Is it? And look at this picture. Knife. A lady chopping veggies with knife. So you have to tell, is there any difference between the handsaw and the knife? Is there any difference between their uses? You can answer in your notebook or the people around you. Okay, so on your behalf, I will answer. If your answer is same, so be happy. Everything is fine. The handsaw used by a carpenter is bigger in size. You can see size of the handsaw and the size of a kitchen knife. It is small in the comparison of handsaw. One more difference is there, guys. Yes. Okay, who will tell? Okay, Adamya. Very good. A knife is easier to use than a handsaw. नो ना चाकू को आप लोग हाथ में लेके ईजली वेजिटेबल्स फ्रूट्स चॉप कर सकते हो. But for using the handsaw, we need to apply some force. Okay, so what are the two differences? First, handsaw is bigger in size compared than a kitchen knife, and a kitchen knife is easier to use than a handsaw. But both the objects are used for cutting, and they are different in size and also in their uses. So today lesson plan 2 and our topic is Mesolithic age. We are going to discuss. Our aim is describe the tools made during the Mesolithic age. And what we study on Friday? Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age were known as Old Stone Age, and Mesolithic age is known as Middle Stone Age. Okay, guys. Our resources for today is S2, Exit Content Book and Notebook, Mesolithic and Microliths. These are our today's keywords. What do you mean by microliths? Mesolithic, everybody know. Middle Stone Age, everybody speak with me. Middle Stone Age, very good. Now speak loudly. Microliths, micro means छोटे, बहुत छोटे. Micro means very small, and liths means tools, means very small tools are known as microliths. Okay guys, so before starting our today's topic, do one thing. Look at the picture of Mesolithic tools in your Exit content book. There are 3 tools given in your content book. In page number 9, so read the paragraph under the heading Mesolithic, and you have to write 2 things you notice about them: their size and sharpness, and you have to also compare this tool with the tools of the Paleolithic age. Okay, take your time, write it, then we will discuss. Okay, so I hope that you completed your reading. So now, what did you notice about the tools made during the Mesolithic age? Okay, no mass reply. Okay, raise your hand only. Okay, now who raised hand first, he or she will answer. Okay, I am unable to hear your answer, but मेरा मन सब सुन लेता है. Okay, so if you are saying that microlithic tools were smaller in size and looked sharper, you are correct. We can compare these tools with Paleolithic age tools. Is it like a hand axe? It is bigger in size. A cleaver, that is also bigger in size. But if we talk about the microlith or the stone blades, these are too small. Yes. Okay. Now tell me guys, what is their shape and size? So it seems that the tools of Mesolithic age is very small and they are also very sharpened. So are they better than the tools made during the Paleolithic age? If yes, so why? So according to me, what I notice in comparison of both the ages, that they means the tools of Mesolithic age are better than the tools made during in Paleolithic age. And why? Because as we notice, the Mesolithic age tools were sharper, smaller, and also easier to carry. Like if you take example of hand axe and microlith stone tools, you can see that hand axe, it is you need to take for your full hand span, but the microlith stone tools used for peeling, these are too small. Is it? Now, what types of tools were made during the Mesolithic age? The types of tools made during the Mesolithic age were small tools such as blade, core, and point, which were known as microliths. And they had geometrical shapes. Notice it. Is it? Here, Mesolithic stone tools, you can see core, it is cylindrical in shape, point triangular shape, blade, it is used for cutting. You can see these blades in page number 9 in front of the heading Mesolithic age. Is it? I will show you the picture. Then lunate, it is used for arrowheads. Arrowheads means जो तीर होते बाढ़ होते हैं उनके आगे वो नुकीले से पत्थर लगाए जाते थे जिनसे वो क्या करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे. Here you can see these pictures. The first picture is white background. It is stone blade and it is used to removed by the fluted core technique. The second picture is of microlith stone tools and these tools were used for peeling, and these are the stone tools of Mesolithic age. So guys, if these are too small and too sharp, so do you remember the shape and size of tools of Paleolithic age? Okay, tell me, how were they different from the tools made during the old stone age? क्या कहा, ओल्ड स्टोन एज नहीं पढ़ाया. रिमेंबर, पैलियोलिथिक एज इज नोन एज ओल्ड स्टोन एज. याद आया? दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग बिफोर स्टार्टेड डूइंग योर राइटिंग वर्क, फर्स्ट स्टडी योर कंटेंट बुक. कंटेंट बुक पढ़ेंगे तभी तो याद रहेगा. इज इट? अब मत भूलना. ओके, पैलियोलिथिक एज मीन्स old stone age and Mesolithic age middle stone age. Okay, now we will see the difference between old stone age tools and middle stone age tools. So look at this picture. The upper two tools were made during the Paleolithic age and the lower two tools were made during the Mesolithic age. Look guys, so tools in the Paleolithic age were bigger in shape than the Mesolithic age, you can see, and these small tools were made using the fluted core technique. Now you want to know what is fluted core technique? Oh, me also want to know what is fluted core technique. So you will tell me in the comment box what is fluted core technique. Okay, don't forget, answer me in the comment box what is fluted core technique. Is it guys? Now, oh, it's a bonus question of the day. I hope that you all gave right answers of your yesterday bonus question of the day, but it is not like that. Most of you give correct answer, but some of you give wrong answer also. Okay, so be careful, and before giving the answer of your bonus question of the day, read question carefully. Also read the topic from your Exceed content book. Then go through the forms app to answer your bonus question. And your today's bonus question is, what is other name of Mesolithic age? Wow, it's too easy. Oh, don't be so excited. Okay, अभी एक्साइट हो जाते हैं एंड आंसर करने के टाइम पे रॉन्ग ऑप्शन चूज कर लेते हैं. सो बी केयरफुल while choosing your correct option. So it's you need to think then answer. Is it? If you were an early human living during the Mesolithic age, सपोज करो कि आप Mesolithic age में एक अर्ली ह्यूमन हैं. What you would have done with your tools apart from hunting and gathering to maintain a continuous supply of food. आप लोग मीसोलिथिक एज में अर्ली ह्यूमंस है, तो आप लोग जो टूल्स हैं आपके पास स्टोन टूल्स हैं मीसोलिथिक एज के, उनका आप लोग हंटिंग और गैदरिंग टू मेंटेन अ कॉन्टीन्यूअस फूड सप्लाई, मतलब गैदरिंग फूड एंड हंटिंग के अलावा क्या यूज़ करेंगे। सोचने वाला क्वेश्चन मीन्स ओके, टेक योर टाइम। I hope that some of you write your answers. Okay, different answers are seen. So guys, we would have grown our own food, right? And made tools that are helpful in farming. ये भी सही आइडिया है. Very nice. We would have looked for other options like yes, like obtaining milk, is it? And then we would have required other sets of tools, so domesticate animals, is it? हमको एनिमल्स भी डोमेस्टिकेट करने हैं और वी ऑल्सो नीड obtained milk, so we need different type of tools. Very nice uses. If your answer is matching with these answers, it means you are exactly intelligent, is it? So guys, keep practicing, but before doing your practice, don't forget to study your related topic very good from your Exceed content book. And your today's writing work is complete S2 and PQs 3 and 4 of block 2 from Exceed content book. Do your work in good handwriting, giving proper distance between two words. Write date and topic name in proper pace. Don't waste the pages and don't write too closely, है ना? So thank you, have a nice day, we'll catch you tomorrow, bye.